Got your new ColorFit Nav watch? It's easy to use it, but before you start using it, make sure that your smartwatch and phone are next to each other and are fully charged. Now let's get started. Switch on. To turn on the watch, long press the upper side button. Long vibration indicates it's turning on. Before using the ColorFit Nav for the first time, make sure it is fully charged. Plug the charger into an adapter or USB port. Align the magnetic charger along with the pins on the back of the watch. A short vibration indicates that the watch is charging. Now make sure to charge the watch till the battery icon shows full. Now let's get you connected. Download the Noisefit X app on your phone. Select ColorFit Nav and confirm. Now scan the QR code from your phone and confirm the pairing. From the home screen, swipe down to go to the notification bar. Press the upper side button to go back to the home screen. Swipe up to see the quick settings. Swipe left or right to go to apps. From the notification bar, you'll find a bunch of features that you can get quick access to. Swipe down from the home screen to go to the notification bar to see the messages or notifications. Press X to dismiss all notifications. If you want to reply to the messages, choose any of the preset quick replies. You can also edit the replies in the Noisefit X app. Note: Quick Reply is only supported on Android devices. Turn on the watch. Swipe up from the home screen to go to Quick Settings. Here, you'll find different features of the smartwatch: settings, battery percentage, brightness mode, airplane mode, Find My Phone, and Do Not Disturb mode. Press either side buttons to turn on the display. Now swipe left to access the features in the watch. Tap on the activity to get a detailed daily activity report on your watch. Swipe up to check out the distance covered, steps taken, activity minutes, and calories burned. You can set or edit your daily activity goals on the Noisefit X app. Swipe right or press the lower side button to go back to the home screen, Alarms. Select Alarm and set the alarm time on the watch. Select Breathe. Follow the on-screen instructions. Select the heart rate. Tap Measure to start the measurement. Ensure that there is no gap between the back panel of the watch and the wrist. Hold still while it measures your heart rate. Before starting the music player, pair your watch with your smartphone. Keep them close and start the music. Open the music control. Play, pause, change track, control volume remotely from the watch. You can edit and add reminders on the Noisefit X app. Open the reminder. Select the reminder on the watch. Tap Sleep to monitor your sleep quality. Swipe up and turn on the bedtime alert and sleep mode. Now all you have to do is go to sleep. The bedtime and wake-up time can be set from the Noisefit X app. Go to Stopwatch. Tap to start recording. Tap Lap to create laps. Tap Lap again to pause. Tap the refresh button to start again. Tap the side button to exit the feature. The stopwatch will continue running in the background until it is stopped. To start again, press the refresh button. Go to the timer, set the time, and press play. Tap to see the weather report for the day. Select Workouts. Swipe and choose your desired workout. Set goals. You can set duration, steps, and distance goals. If you are using the workout feature for the first time, turn on the GPS. Now tap to start. Tap to pause and tap flag icon to end, or tap resume to resume the game. Turn on the watch by pressing either of the side buttons. Go to Settings. Tap on Accessibility. Change the text font size as per your preference. Tap to adjust the brightness as per your preference. Tap to see your device information. Tap to go to Orientation and choose the wrist placement, the dominant hand, the left hand, or the non-dominant hand, the right hand, as per your choice. Tap to adjust the vibration level to get notified. Turn on the lift to wake. Set the screen timeout time as per your preference. Turn on the night mode to adjust the brightness settings of the watch screen. Choose the dial to change the watch face. You can also change or edit the watch face from the NoiseFit X app. We'll share those steps later. Choose the watch face of your choice. The QR code helps you scan and download the NoiseFit X app on your phone. Tap on Restart. Click on X to cancel. Click on Check to restart. Tap on Reset. Click on X to cancel, or click on Check to confirm. Head to the Name section of the app. Agree to the terms and conditions. Sign up. Add your personal information. Open the app. Go to the Activity page. Check your activity report of the day. See your active time, distance covered, calories burned, sleep hours, heart rate, and the workout report of the day. You can also find a detailed report on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Go to the Leaders Board to check out the world ranking or see your friends' ranking. Go to the Watch Face page. Choose the watch face of your choice. You can also choose an image from the gallery, customize it, and set it as your watch face. Here's your second part of the NoiseFit X app tour. Open the app. Turn on the auto-sync feature to sync your phone and smartwatch. Turn it on to sync the data with your Google Fit account. Tap to unpair device. Choose Cancel to not unpair and unpair to confirm. Choose the unit of measurement as per your preference. Tap to go to Heart Rate Monitor. Turn on the Auto Track. Set the tracking interval. Tap OK to save. Tap to go to Preset Sleep. Turn on the Auto Sleep. Set the bed and awake time. It's time to get active. Tap to go to Inactivity Alert. Turn on the alert. Set the intervals. Set the start and end time and the days. Tap to go to the reminder. Tap Add the reminder. Set the label, date, time, and repeat. Create the reminder. Tap to go to the notification. Turn on all notifications or individual notification alerts. To edit Quick Reply, go to SMS Quick Reply and follow the on-screen instructions to edit the replies and save. To see the daily activity report, choose the steps, activity time, distance, calorie, sleep, heart rate, and exercise, which you want to see on the NoiseFit X app. Tap to go to Goals. Set your steps, activity time, distance, calories, sleep count goals. Tap to go to Weather. Turn on the Auto Track to automatically track your location, or choose Manual Select and feed in your location to get weather updates. Now select the weather measurement unit. Go to Info to know about the app version and firmware version. We would like to know what you think about the app. Go to Feedback and share your valuable inputs. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.